Hi everyone, this is Faith Jeremiah for Quick Make YouTube channel, the number one channel that teaches people how to make money online from the comfort of their homes. So today we are going to be looking at the second strategy of making money off this platform, which is called what? Owo Daily. In the previous video I posted, I showed you one of the ways in which you can make money from this platform, which is Owo Daily. If you have not watched the video, you can go to my channel and see the video and see the number one way of leveraging this platform in making money. Ovo Daily, as we all know, is an online marketplace that connects digital workers, influencers, freelancers, businesses together. So today we are going to be looking quickly on the second strategy we can use to make money on this platform. So as I've said before, you can use the link in the description below to get registered on this platform and also watch the first strategy on how to make money from this platform. So without further ado, we are going straight into the second strategy. The second strategy is all about what? Completing tasks on this website. Completing tasks as a digital worker. If you want to complete tasks on this website, after registering on this website using the link in the description below, you go over to the jobs tabs. You see a drop down menu, you click on available jobs. I click on available jobs. It will load me the available jobs for today. Boom. Sorry, network is a little bit slow and shaky. Now these are the available jobs for today. Now this is very easy way of making money. You just complete the tax and you get paid the stipulated amount of money here. You can see the payout. Like for this Facebook job, the payout is 15 naira. Once you do this job, you get paid 15 naira immediately. No scam. I've tried it personally. I have other people and other of my students that have tried this. It's legit. It's not a scam. You join this WhatsApp group, you get paid 30 naira. You stream and follow this person on Spotify, you get paid 15 naira. You follow this person on Instagram page, you get paid 10 naira. Now let me just quickly show you an example of how to complete tasks on this website and you get paid. If you want to complete tasks, for example, let me choose this, follow my Instagram page. This person posted a job that you should follow his Instagram page and he needs 1,800 people to complete this task. As at of now, we have 1,200 persons that have completed this task. So to complete this task and get paid, you quickly click on what? Apply. Quickly click on what? Apply. Then after clicking apply, you can see once you can follow this person's Instagram page, you get paid 10 naira. Now the job description, sorry, the job instruction is for what? Follow me on my Instagram page. Then after that, proof needed by the employer. So this is a marketplace for digital workers like me and you come here to complete tasks. Now after completing this task, what you have to do, you have to what? Submit your proof that you actually completed this task. Like I've told you, this is not a place of scamming or a place of doing scamming things. No, everything here is legit. So after completing this job, after following this person on his Instagram page, you have to submit the proof that you really follow the person on Instagram. Here, you can see where it shows where submit proof. So and what is the proof here? Upload your Instagram handle to verify if you have done this task. So for you to get paid after completing this job, you have to upload your Instagram handle to verify you have done this task. So that is just the simple instruction. This first instruction is to what? Follow the person on his or her Instagram page. And after that, submit proof that you have followed the person. And immediately you submit your proof and your proof is authentic, is valid, you get paid 10 naira, which is the amount for this, which is the pay for this tax. So if I click on start job, see it takes me to the page. You can see this is the person's page. As you can see, this is the person's page. Then what did they say we should do? They said we should do what? We should what? Follow. Once I click on follow, then I immediately I coming. He said, good. I followed. Now what is the proof? They said upload your Instagram handle if you have done this task. Upload your what? Instagram handle if you have what? Done this task. So what I will quickly need to do here is to do what? Upload my Instagram handle on this page. Then after uploading it here, then I'll call after this is where you start the you take a use of your phone. If it's phone you are using, you take a screenshot of your Instagram page showing where you follow the person, and you come here, insert image and insert the screenshot. Here after that you come here and click what and tick this box and so do or submit proof. Then once the poster of the jobs approve everything, you get paid your 10 naira as easy as ABCD. Very very easy, very easy. So if you go after completing this job, you can go back and do what again? Do other jobs. You can go back and work, do other jobs. After completing this Instagram job, I can go back and do this job, do this job, do this job, depending on how free you are on that particular day. If you are free, you can do like 10 jobs in a day, and you see before you know, you have started making some cool money. So that is second strategy of making money on this platform. Completing tasks, doing different tasks, applying for the task, doing the task, submitting your proof, and you get paid the stipulated work amount. This is another way of making money on this platform called the Whole Daily. I hope you guys understand this second strategy. Just register with the link on the description below, either for the single membership or for the Whole Daily Plus. Start completing tasks, or you can use your referral program to make money off this platform. You can check the description below for the first strategy which I posted yesterday. You can see the first strategy which is what? The referral program. And then you can also make money with the second strategy which is what? Being a digital worker that performing tasks on this website, uploading your proof of the task performed, and you get paid the stipulated work amount. So guys, this is where we wrap it up for the day. I hope you understand. Start practicalizing and start earning. See you in my next video. Thanks.